Assalam-o-Alaikum everyone. Oh my god, I don't know. It's very easy to make Dubai Kunafa Chocolate Bar at home. Once you try this recipe, you will definitely want to make it try again and again. Take some chocolate and then melt it for decorate. You can melt it using a microwave or double layering method. Then just spread it for decorate. After the melting, keep it into a refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the crispy kunafa layer. Take some butter and let it melt. Then we will add some sevai. You can use any type of sevaya available at home. Do it fry low to medium flame until it becomes light golden and crispy. Then take some pistachios and grind them into a fine powder. And then take some melted chocolate after this process. Melt it into the microwave or using a double layer. Now take the mold that we prepared earlier and pour a layer of melted milk chocolate over the white chocolate. Spread it evenly everywhere. Don't make it too thick, just a nice even layer. Then we will keep this mold in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes so that the chocolate sets properly. Then we will do the next process of layering. Take that sevaya, add some pistachios powder and add condensed milk. It's a milk made. If you want, so you can add more dry fruit also. Now mix everything well. There is no need to cook this mixture, just mix it nicely using a spatula until it becomes soft and well combined. Our stuffing is ready. Keep it aside. And then after 15 minutes, take the mold out. Now add the spreaded pistachio and sevaya stuffing on top of the chocolate layer. Spread it evenly across the mold. Press it gently so that it sets nicely. And after this, we will take again melted milk chocolate and pour it on top of the stuffing. Spread it evenly and cover everything properly. As you can see which type of I'm doing. And after this we will do for decorate, I'm adding a little bit of condensed milk on top. If you don't want, so leave it. Now place the mold again in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes for everything fully set. After that, take out from the fridge, demold it, and wow, look at this. It is perfectly set and looks so beautiful. Now it's break it. See the texture, crispy, creamy, chocolatey, just amazing. You have to try it yourself. You should try it definitely. It's so easy. If you like this recipe, so please like, share and subscribe.